India abstained from voting on the UN General Assembly resolution on the situation in Afghanistan on Monday as it raised concern over the lack of strategies to address the country's complex crisis. The resolution, titled The Situation in Afghanistan, was adopted by a vote of 116 in favor, 2 against, and 12 abstentions. Delivering the explanation of vote, India's permanent representative to the UN said that without new and targeted international initiatives, a business as usual approach was unlikely to deliver meaningful outcomes for the Afghan people. Highlighting India's concern over terrorist threats emanating from Afghanistan, India warned that terror groups such as Al Qaeda, ISIL, Lashkar-e-Taiba, and Jaish-e-Mohammed, all of which are designated by the UN Security Council, continue to exploit Afghan soil with support from regional sponsors, a veiled reference towards Pakistan. India urged international community efforts to ensure that Afghanistan should not become a launchpad for terrorists. Critiquing the resolution's lack of new mechanisms, India emphasized the need for a balanced policy mix, combining incentives for positive behavior and disincentives for harmful actions rather than relying solely on punitive rhetoric. While India has not yet recognized the Taliban government in Afghanistan, it has been engaged with the de facto authorities, with Indian Foreign Minister S. Jaishankar holding telephonic conversation with Taliban's Foreign Minister Amir Khan Muttaqi earlier in May. India has also been engaged in providing humanitarian assistance to the Afghan people after the Taliban takeover.
Is closely monitoring the security situation in Afghanistan. The international community must direct its coordinated efforts towards ensuring that entities and individuals designated by the UN Security Council, the Al Qaeda and their affiliates, ISIL and their affiliates, including Lashkar-e-Taiba and Jaish-e-Mohammed, along with their regional sponsors who facilitate their operations, no longer exploit Afghan territory for terrorist activities. No new policy instruments have been introduced to address the worsening humanitarian crisis in Afghanistan since August 2021. A business-as-usual approach without new and targeted initiatives is unlikely to deliver the outcomes the international community envisions for the Afghan people.